Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is video number 306. In today's video, I am going very interesting commands in Stata to export the output table to Word and Excel format. And the two commands are eststo and esttab. Let me show you the data table that I will be using for this. This is the data file that I used earlier. This is panel data file in which there are 10 US firms for which there is 20 years data starting from 1935 to 1954. This variable number 1 is firm number or identity ID, and this is time T, yearly time. I stands for annual real gross investment, F stands for real value of the firm, and C stands for real value of the capital. I is the investment, that is a dependent variable. F and C are independent variable. Let me open my Stata file. I have already opened my Stata file, and this is ID, that is entity for the firm. This is date for year. I real gross investment, and this is real value of the firm, and C is the real value of the capital stock. So let me simplify it for you. I have made a do file for this. First of all, you will have to install a command esttout, and for that the command is sse install estou ESTOUT. So if I give this command, if it has not been installed in your computer, so you must write this command sse install esttout, and it will install this for you, and then you can use the eststo and esttab commands. Since I have already installed this, so I don't need to install it again, and I would like to use the commands that I have done here. So first of all, I will use these 5 different regression equation. One is a simple OLS, one is a between groups, one is a fixed effects within, and one is a SWAR, that is Swami and Arora estimator, and the last one is the maximum likelihood estimate. I have copied this, and I'll paste this, and then I'll hit enter, and all my 5 equations or regression models have been estimated. The first one is a simple OLS where I regress IFC, I, that is investment on firm value and capital stock. This ESTSTO means that Stata will automatically store, so it has been stored as EST1. Then the second command ESTSTO streg IFC comma BE, this is between regression, that is regression on group means, and if I give this command also ESTSTO, then Stata will store, it has stored in fact EST2 file here. Similarly, this is my third regression for the fixed effect within regression, and due to ESTSTO command it has already been saved, and so forth. So all of my variables, this is a SWAR, that is Swami and Arora estimates, and this is random effects model GLS regression equation, and similarly finally this is a maximum likelihood estimator, and again I have used this command ESTSTO colon streg IFC comma MLE. MLE stands for maximum likelihood estimation, and it is using iteration for the constant as well as for the full model. So Now I have estimated 5 different, that is OLS, between, within, SWAR, and maximum likelihood estimate. Now I will give this command estab, and since these estimated equations are in the memory of Stata, so it has made this table for me. By giving this command esttab, it has given me this table. Now this one is for OLS, this one is for between, this one is for within, this is for SWAR, Swami and Aurora, and this is maximum likelihood estimation. This is the coefficient of the firm value, and these are the coefficients for the real value of capital. Let me also see, can we do something else? Let me give another command, and I want estab, comma ser2. I want Stata to change these t values with the standard errors, and it should also give me r square values. So if I press that, you see these values in parentheses were previously t values, but now Stata has changed these values into standard errors, and r squared value have been given here. So for the first 3 model, r squared values are there, but for the last 2 models, these values are not here. And after this, I will use this command to tell the Stata to give me a path where my Word file will be saved. So it is this, and it has now given me the path that my file that I am going to export this file into on the desk will be placed on the desktop, but I will give it a name, and the command for that is this est. Let me see whether it works or not. So I am telling Stata estab, using this table, I want to export from here to desktop, and the name will be table. Let me give it another name, table 2, rft, rich format text, comma se, no star. I want no star here, and r square should be there. Now it says output written to table 2 rft. It means there is table 2 on desktop with extension rft, that is rich format text, and it will be available on the desktop. Now let me see it on desktop, and I'll open that file, and let's see what happens. Okay, this is the file that I just you see exported from Stata to Word. I would like to change its format a little bit. Let me change the layout, and I will change it from portrait to landscape. If I now my file is here. Now I can write here OLS. This is my OLS file. This is my between regression, and this one is within group regression. This one is known as SWAR, and the final one is maximum likelihood estimate. So these are the coefficients, that is beta 1 hat, that is beta 2 hat, and this is beta naught hat, and these are all beta naught hat, beta naught hat, beta 1 hat, and beta 2 hat for 5 different regression models, and within parentheses are the standard errors. I have removed the stars from here and the t values from here, but we can calculate the t value and we can also give command for star. And these are the number of observation. Number of observation for all the files are 200, and below here for OLS the coefficient of determination are R squared is equal to 0.81, that is 81% of the variation in real gross investment of the firm is explained by this model. For the between regression, almost 86% of the variation in investment is explained by the model, and for within group regression, almost 77% of the variation in investment function of the firm is explained by the model. And I can also make other changes. I can also write my dependent variable is investment, real gross investment, and I can make any changes just like I can do in Word. So this is how we export output from Stata to Word. We can also do the same for Excel, but for Excel we will give some other command, some other extension, and let me see if it works exactly the way it did. So here I will change the extension from RFT to CSV, and let me see, does it work? Yes, it also worked, and there will be table on desktop as a CSV, and this is table 2 CSV, and now that data has been exported from Stata to Excel. So this is very interesting, and I hope this was interesting for you, and it may be of help to you. So you can also play with your own data in Stata, and you can do things like that. I thank you very much for watching this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the modern to subscribe to my channel, kindly do subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get timely notification about my other videos that I'll upload for you. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Thanks.